and good morning! I always love starting the vlog with good morning because it feels so energetic and happy and it just feels good, you know? So good, you know? Anyway, today we are going to Muizenberg beach for the Muizenberg market. It's a market every Sunday. I just spent like half an hour pulling the car out of the garage. I should probably get out now. It's not my car, I'm not driving, so... Oh Donnie, oh Donnie, oh Donnie! Now we are at Muizenberg market. That's Muizenberg over there. Over here you can buy clothes, tools, toys, cleaning supplies, food, cell phone covers, drugs.
Say Spain, what are you? And look at the results. Nice and clean.
Ja. Dan kan ik alsjeblieft 4 krijgen. Okay? If you come here, you need to try these donuts. They are delicious. Over here is surfer's port. I never surf here. Check this, the shark spot. That's how sharky it is on this side. Watching the beach like this makes me want to surf. Reminds me I've got good news about my GoPro, so hit the subscribe button and I'll tell you about it next time.